most people, when they're dealing with their mortgages, find them more like a transaction than they find it a service. What do you mean give them a service?
Yeah, because, we want to be in the advisory business, right? We always say that our motto is that we're in the people business. We just happen to do mortgages. And really what that means is we want to listen to the customers. We want to basically understand what their goals and their objectives are. We want to make sure we have a good line of sight as to where they want to take their investment in this property. Because let's face it, buying a home isn't just a roof over your head, it's an investment now, right? It's part of your estate planning, it's part of your long-term obligations. For the next 20 or 30 years, you're going to have to be probably dealing with that mortgage. And people are so focused on the transaction that they forget that the impact of this is going to be a lot greater for them. So we try to touch on those points about what the next 5 or 10 years are going to be like. We also focus a lot on being very proactive rather than reactive. At a bank, they're not designed to be proactive. Nobody at the bank has a role where they proactively call their customers and say, you know what you should do with your mortgage? You should break it and then float down to a lower interest rate so you can save some money. It doesn't exist in the bank.
Or even bring it to another institution that's got better terms.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
And look across the street. There's a better option there. We do that part. So we have that conversation. So we're always proactively looking at what's going on in the marketplace. We're tracking bond yields. We're talking economic reports. We're listening to what the Bank of Canada is saying and not saying. We want to see what our neighbors from all across in U.S. and Europe and how things are in our economy is evolving. So we have a good pulse and understanding of rates are going up. Are they going to stay relatively flat or are they going down?